Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on the first day of spring. And as we can see from our futurecast, it's quite busy at the moment as there is a cut-off low and cold front moving through. This is going to bring a few showers and thunder showers to parts of the northwest and the Free State at first, but those will be clearing out. Thunderstorms will be spreading into KwaZulu-Natal as the day goes on, while we're still expecting a good flow of moisture from the south, keeping things very cloudy and wet for parts of the Western and Eastern Cape for today, as well as quite cool. A warmer day is expected for the west coast of the country as sunshine is increasing across that area. Taking a look at the rainfall probability map, and here we can see widespread showers still affecting the south coast and the adjacent interior. Significant rainfall still possible and rain quite far into the interior of those provinces as well. Scattered showers and perhaps some thunder over southern KwaZulu-Natal, isolated in the northern parts. And there we see those showers that I mentioned earlier through the northwest and the Free State, and those will certainly be clearing during the course of the early afternoon. Taking a look at the alerts, and there is a watch for a high fire danger for Gauteng and the surrounding areas. A hot and dry day across the region, as well as quite windy, and we could have some runaway fire activity in the area. Taking a look at the maxes, and it's not very spring-like for the southern parts of the country, mid to lower teens for many places, mild through the central parts in the lower 20s, but it's a lot more like spring in the north and far east, with temperatures in the upper 20s and even well into the 30s for the low felt. Moving ahead to the coastal forecast, and we're expecting winds to pick up along the west coast for today, becoming fresh to strong at times, but Lambert's Bay somewhat sheltered from that wind, where good beach conditions have been forecast. Over to the southern parts, and we are expecting a moderate wind around the peninsula, still a southeaster, and lots of rainfall still expected for the Cape Agulhas area. High tide for Table Bay at 11 minutes past 5 this afternoon. Along the south coast of the country, here we see a southerly to southwesterly wind, strong at times for Jeffreys Bay, but generally strong for Port Elizabeth. And along with that, we are expecting an elevated swell at 3.5 meters. Along the east coast of the country, a southwesterly wind is expected for East London. It's going to be strong, but picking up to near gale force by this evening, and southwesterly winds extend all the way through to Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely spring day.